This not only works really well, but it will work no matter where you are in the world. As you will all see in this tutorial, today I will share with you a beginner-friendly guide to making money online that will literally revolve around copying and pasting. Nothing more. This website you see on the screen right now, the vast majority have probably never heard about before. But by using it, you can make huge amounts of money online and in completely passive income too if you set this up correctly. With that being said though, if some of you perhaps want another method to make money online and you are interested in doing so in passive income, then click on that first link down in the description. That'll take you to a software you can check out that can make you big money online with you literally doing nothing at all. With all of that said, guys, let's now get right into the video. Now, as I said, I do have a beginner-friendly strategy to share with you, but something really important to note before we move on is that this involves quite a few platforms and it will be confusing for a bit until you get nearer to the end of this video. So all of you who are impatient, please make sure you stay tuned and keep watching. If you skip ahead, I can guarantee you that this won't work out for you simply because you won't know what to do and you'll just end up wasting your time for no gain. Without further ado, as I said, we do have a few platforms to go over, so let's get on with the first one you need to go over to. It's none other than Instagram. And now what you will want to do on Instagram, guys, is simply put, create a page about something. About what exactly you can see on your screens right now. You can run with any of these niches you want to. You can, for example, create a page about animals. That's a really good option since the animal niche is huge. You could go with a business niche, computer and internet, and so much more. Since there are so many of these categories, I won't read them out loud for you, but you want to pick one of them. And now that you've done so, you will create a page in that very category. Just as an example, I'll go with the online business niche, and as you can see, I've created an Instagram page all about that, with a nice profile picture. With that done, now that you have your Instagram page, you need two things, both of which I will show you how to get. The first thing you need are posts, so you want a few posts here and there on your page. So now's the time for me to show you a website where you can obtain free images that are also professional as well, that you can upload on your Instagram page with no copyright problems. That website is Pexels.com, a site many of you are probably familiar with by now. What you want to do on Pexels is simply put, type in the search bar here what kinds of photos you need. In my case, as I have a page about business, I typed that in the search bar. If you went with the animal niche, you can see that there are a lot of beautiful animal photos you can use, literally thousands of them. And these photos are taken by professional photographers that look absolutely stunning. Anyways, your goal from here is to find like 3 to 4 photos you really think are good and you want to upload onto your page. To download them, just open them up, and instead of downloading them in the original resolution, I would recommend you do so in 1920 by 1080. As such, you want to click on this arrow here, and right here where it says custom, you want to type in 1920 and 1080 obviously, and only then click on download selected size. This will download the photo to your PC free of charge, easy as that. From there, you just want to go back over to your Instagram page and upload the photos. This will now make your page look a lot more appealing obviously, especially coupled with a good profile picture. And now that you've done that, we'll go ahead and proceed to the next website we will be using as part of this strategy. The one you've all seen in that intro. The website in question is called OmniLink. The URL to the site is omnilink.iconosquare.com. It's a bit of a weird URL, so make sure you guys type that in correctly. Anyway, what is OmniLink and how can it help us make money online? Well, OmniLink is a website that allows you to build a landing page of sorts on here, and for absolutely free, of course, without investing anything. This site will prove quite useful for us because it allows you to create a page where you can put multiple links, and you can then just share the link of your OmniLink page with people. This means that you don't have to share the individual links, which will make this much easier and more effective. What links we will be sharing you will all see soon. For now though, you want to sign up to the platform. Click on the sign up button in the upper right corner here. On the next page, type in your email address, password, then retype the password. Tick this box, then complete this CAPTCHA. And finally, with that done, just click on sign up below to create your brand new account. What happens from there is they will ask you to create your new OmniLink to your new landing page. And after that, you will have to choose how you want your landing page to look, what kind of a template you want, and when you choose that, you will be taken over to the page I'm on as we speak, or in other words, your landing page. And now that you have created an account on this website, guys, it's time for me to show you the final platform we will be using as part of this strategy to make money online, which is this one right here called Digistore24.com. Many of you have heard of this site most likely. It's an affiliate marketplace from where you can grab links to a bunch of different affiliate offers in many different categories. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll get a cut of the product's price, which is called a commission, as many of you probably know. And what you now need to do, guys, is come over to Digistore24 and unsurprisingly, you'll want to sign up to the website. Let me not go over that process so I don't prolong this video. Once you do log in, what you want to do is click on Marketplace here, and then select All Offers on the affiliate marketplace. This will now display a bunch of offers you can promote and make money off of, but you will want to promote products only in a particular niche. That same niche as your Instagram page. In my example, I went with business, which is why I want to select business and investment on the left-hand side here. If you guys decided to create a page about dogs, you will select animals and pets, and so on. What you want to do from here, simply put, is find offers that pay decently for promoting them. Try to find ones that are neither too expensive nor too cheap, so they are actually worthwhile for you to promote, and you'll get a decent number of sales. When you find a good offer, to grab the affiliate link to it, just click on Promote Now here. You will want to grab links to at least 3 different digital products. Invest a tiny bit of time into finding the best ones and copy their links. When you do that, you will now go back over to your landing page on OmniLink, and you will want to customize it accordingly. In essence, what you want to do is promote like 3 or more products on this page. This is why I said before that this website will be so helpful for us. It allows us to promote multiple digital products with a single link instead of multiple links. So what you want to do now is click on this little pencil here. This will allow you to customize these buttons, change what is displayed on them, and add a link to them. Your affiliate link, of course, so that when someone clicks on them, it takes them to the sales page and they can make a purchase. In my case, what I did was I wrote above these buttons, best online business offers you can find. And on the actual buttons, the text displayed is Get Access Now. Obviously, depending on what you chose to promote, you will change and customize your own page accordingly. The goal here is to entice people to click on any one of these buttons and to make a purchase on at least one of the products you're promoting. So make sure you invest some time into customizing this page to make it look as good as you can. Once you're done, you'll go back to your Instagram page and you'll want to leave the link to your landing page in the bio here and a call to action so people go to your landing page and potentially make a purchase, thus making you money and purely passive income. The only thing missing from here, guys, would be the followers. So what I would recommend is you use other pages in your niche as inspiration. See what they're uploading and upload similar posts. After a while, you'll eventually start getting more and more followers. Once you get above 1,000, you'll be on your way to making money online in nearly passive income. Your only job would be basically to upload on a somewhat regular basis.